Hello guys, what's going on today? We're going to talk about Truckers of Europe 3 and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how I got unlimited money with this mod. So if anyone wants to do the same mod as me, you just need to follow this tutorial until the end. You're going to be able to learn the steps, okay? So I have to mention to you guys this method is working for the both devices. I already tested in my iPhone and also in my Xiaomi, which I'm going to show you the steps today. The same steps are working for the both devices. Right now I cannot show you the steps with my iPhone because I'm recording with it, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below guys, and I'm going to do a tutorial also for the iOS users without a problem, okay? But as I mentioned before, steps are the same, but if you want me to, I will do a tutorial for you guys, okay? So I will go immediately to the game to show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll go to show you everything that you need to know in order to get this mod, okay? Okay, just a few seconds to get connected, and as you can see right over here guys, sorry for the focus. Okay, we have so much money, and look, I already got trucks, and as you can see we have so much money, and we can buy any truck that we want. For example, yes, okay, as you can see guys, already loaded. I'm just showing to you that everything is working guys, so I'll not stay too much inside of the game. I was already playing before. I will just exit again, main menu. Alright, or for example, to show you that you can buy everything that you want, you can use the money like you want guys. One more time, just a few seconds. Okay, we can go the garage. You can buy garage without a problem because you have a lot of money guys. You can go, you can see I already bought a couple of trucks. As you can see, I done upgraded some of them because I was playing. Or for example, we can do this one. You can buy everything that you want guys. I already also with this I did a lot of, for example, okay, you can do whatever you want guys, you can confirm without a problem. So I'm not saying too much inside of the game so I don't make the video too long guys. I'll go immediately now to show you all you need to do in order to get this mod same as me guys, okay? So let's go. So before you start the loading process of the mod guys, all you need to do, you just need to make sure you have a good connection with internet. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and also have it active the mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection, okay? So after you complete this, after you make sure about this, about the internet, all you need to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer guys. You just need to search in the searching bar about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys immediately. Here we are. You just need to enter inside of it. You just need to wait a couple of seconds to log in the site. Okay, here we are. You just go immediately to the searching bar and search about the name of the game. You just type a few keywords. Okay, here we are. Just press in the middle, press the green sign. I just need to wait a couple of seconds, the whole process to process it from here to the end, and by the end of this process you're going to be able to install the mod and generate unlimited money same as me guys, okay? So if to any one of you it will happen that to any of you it will happen that it will run an extra step in the end of this process, this is because of the region where you are located guys. So if it's going to happen, just complete what is required and you're going to be able to get the mod same as me guys, okay? So thanks for watching guys, and I hope my video was helpful for you. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching guys. Cheers.